Good morning, one and all. Actually, the continuation of shield metal arc welding. Now, the deflection, how the defects can be taken place with a shield metal arc welding here. See, means so with a heavy penetration, with a what happened the sheet metal arc welding when a where when more penetration can be taken place here due to of a manual of a metal arc welding. So what happened, or we can say, so with this one of a more penetration, so they will be having a spatter due to of a more spark. So what happened here, more spark is generated here. So this one due to a spatter will become, porosity will come, and incomplete of a penetration due to incomplete. So cracks will form, undercut will become, and the uh, pour of a fusion means deposition can be taken place here. This all come in the of a welding of a poor welding of a profile will be associated here. Now, in a shielded of a metal arc welding or a manual metal arc welding, what are the equipment we are using? Just now, instead of a AC machine, we are using here, which is connected to the AC or a DC or a power supply, and the cables which is connected to the one of a cable is connected to the workpiece, another cable is connected to the electrode here, and the electrode of a holder of a welding of a tongs. We can also say welding table for the workshop, clamps we can say here, and which can clamp that of a for the earthing purpose we can go with the clamps and the electrodes here. Okay, so now after that one we are going for the submerged arc welding. So submerged arc welding we are means what happened here. There will be, if I am going for the two workpiece of a metals here. So already before going to the welding, I am keeping of a flux on that one. I am keeping a flux on that one, and by using of a wire in this of a submerged of a arc welding, I am using of a wire. It may be a copper, it may be a wire. So what happened? It may be copper, it may be uh, a brass or a bronze. So it is when it is a moving forward here, welding deposition can be taken place here. Okay, this is due to the electrical of a means of a electric is a generator means is a supplying with the this wire here, and the already flux is keeping means of a welding can be taken place here. So here with the help of a flux means here is a, there is a no spark is generated here, and no spatter will be here, no visual of a arc can be seen here, and it is everything of a submerged arc welding is a automatically. But while coming to the shielded metal arc is a manually here. So here is a, automatically it is move forward due to of electrical city is connected with the electrode. Electrode is connected with of a wire here. So what happened here is that the wire gets of a melted here. Already the flux I'm keeping in the between of a two workpiece here. It gets melted and it forms of a beads here. Okay. So here from the this method, heat is required to fuse the metal. Heat is required to fuse the metal. Okay, and of a metal and generated an arc between of electric current passing through the electrode and the workpiece here. Means here the electrical wire means is nothing but a fuse the metal here. So fuse the metal here. Due to this one of a electrical arc is not only it's a melts of a here electrode as well as here workpiece here. There is a no visible of a arc, no spark, and the spatter, fumes, and electrode may be a solid or a cover wire or a strip here. So just now a solid means it may be a copper wire instead of a copper, it may be a brass or a bronze. Or sometimes we can take of a means of a in cup. I am taking off a flux. I'm using of a copper wire. What happened? Rod here. I'm just of a dipping on the flux here. Then also I can go with the welding. That is a submerged arc welding we can also say. These are normally a mechanisms of process here. Process here. The molten weld and the arc zone are protected. How it can be protected with the flux here? Flux is itself is a, already we have discussed a flux is a protect from the atmosphere. So it is a whatever the contamination means at the welding what happens there will be a contamination from the atmosphere. It is prevent from that contamination here from the atmospheric. So flux maybe consists of a lime, silica, magnesium oxide, calcium fluoride, and other component. When the molten the flux becomes of a conductivity means here for the connectivity and provides a current path means here what happened when a molten flux becomes of a conductivity, flux becomes of a conductivity means is what happened there will be electrode and the workpiece here current path can be taken place. Flux I already I'm keeping in the here on the workpiece, just I am going I'm passing of electricity from the electrode, and which is the moving of a dip, and it gets of a melted here, it form a joint here, welding joint we can say. And this is a thick layer of a flux, completely covers the molten metals and thus prevents of a spatter, spark as well as a surprising. Okay, so what happened here is the ultraviolet of radiation fumes that are a part of it. I mean, sometimes it will take off some sparks here. So that is a shielded metal arc, some process we can also say. See from the diagram here, from the DC supplier of a power supply, there is a drive of a rod where I am keeping of a electrode of a wire here, maybe a copper, brass, or a bronze. Okay, and some much of a arc here at the piece of it. That is a weld pool will be formed, and already I am fusing of a covering of a flux. Already I am keeping of a flux on that one. Okay, just I am keeping of a electrode wire on that one. Okay, submerge of that means here very easy process, and everything is take place in automatically. In a steel and metal arc welding is a manual metal arc welding here. Here we are using of especially for the pipes. Okay, for cylindrical, for industrial works we can go with this submerge of a arc welding. For accurate we can go with a with a high penetration we can go with there. So here what happened with the accurate finishing, we can accurate of a welding can be taken place by using of a submerged arc welding here. While coming to that one of a shielded arc welding, we are going with a manual. So there will be some already welded is taken with some defects are there, means repairs are take place. So we are using of a shielded metal arc welding. We are going that one. So features. What are the features of a submerged arc welding? Here is a flux hopper welding head flux. Means here it stores the flux and controls, means the flux which is nothing but a stores the flux and controls the rate of flux deposition on the weld. Means already I am keeping of a flux, but it is a flux hopper is a is such a way that it will how much it is required at the welding joint, how much the flux is deposit should be take place at the welding joint, it should be take place. Welding head means here it feeds of a flux and the filler metal. Sometimes what happen, how much the flux should be feeded and how much the filler metal should be take place. Filler metal should be deposited. Electrode is a filler metal gets energized. Means here when electricity is passing to this uh, electro means filler of a metal here, how much it will be a deposit, how much it will be analyzed, how much is going to be a welded can be taken place. Melting can be taken place at the welding zone. Flux, just now I said of it is protect from the molten weld from the atmosphere contamination here, and also it cleans the well metals and can modify its chemical composition also sometimes. Now coming to the operational general operation current means here current we are using of a total welding current can be a range, means it is a 100 to a 3600 of a amperes here. Wire in a one wire means of a electrode of a wire we can say electrode, sometimes we can say that's a filler metal we can say the wire of a molten pool of a from 1 to 6 okay, and it may be a voltage is 220 to 50 volts here, and in the same manner what is speed is it means we can go with the speed at what speed can be moved from one end to another 30 to a 350 of a centimeter per minute, and deposition rate at what how much can be taken this is nothing but a 2 to 100 of a kg per hour. Submerged arc welding, and the difference of a submerged arc welding and a shielded metal arc welding or submerged arc welding used here. So already we have discussed. Means of a submerged arc welding is a, once again I am going recovering that one is a, that involves the formation of an arc between the continuous feed electrode and the workpiece here. In the same manner, continuously feeding of electrode here and the workpiece here means continuously I am feeding means continuously involving of a means of a feeding of electrode here continuous from one end to the another end from the workpiece, and the already the workpiece is there, blanket is the provided with a flux of a generator protecting of a slag. So what happened here, due to the flux there will be a slag will be formed, after that it will be removed here by using of a chipping, which is what is the use of this flux is the product from the atmospheric area, contamination area, it prevent from the contamination area. So the submerged arc welding is automatic welding, just now I said, whereas a shielded metal arc welding is a manual welding, and the submerged arc welding is